Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what do you think of the new hair? No, I'm just kidding. So if you guys read the title, clearly you know this is a wig. I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut a synthetic lace front wig, and I'm also going to be showing you how I apply my wigs, as well as a couple little tips. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I cut this wig and how I applied it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Here is my new baby right here. I'm freaking obsessed with this color, you guys. And here in the front is the lace. I have not cut it yet because I'm going to show you guys how. And literally the only thing you're going to need are some sharp scissors. So I have some right here. Cutting lace on wigs can be very intimidating because I was definitely very intimidated when I first had to cut my first lace front wig. This is going to be my third lace front that I have. I have a bunch of wigs, but I don't have that many that have lace, and I was so nervous to mess up my first one. All I can say is be patient, take your time, and you're going to be fine. I mean, it's always a little nerve-wracking. The first thing that I like to do is actually flip it inside out, just so I can kind of see where the lace is going to hit and everything, like the shape of it. You want to get as close to the hairline as possible, but you also want to leave a little bit of room. So if you are going to glue it down, I personally don't glue my wigs down just because I don't wear them for long periods of time. And this one in particular does have some clips inside. It has two on the side and one in the front. I really like the wigs that come with clips because they feel more secure, especially since I don't glue mine down. And it also has the little clasp in the back so that you can tighten it. This wig I purchased from Amazon. I will have it linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested in it. I'm gonna stand up. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys exactly how I cut it. So I got my scissors and I'm just gonna start cutting. I hope you guys can see. There's like a little tiny bit of lace right here still. Just be patient, take your time. I had to switch scissors because my other ones stopped cutting. So that is how I cut my lace front wigs. So the next thing that I do with my wigs, this one is looking a little knotted up now. She's not as cute as when I first took her out. So quickly I'm just going to comb through it just a little bit. I have this wig brush that I got with one of my wigs that I purchased a while ago. I'm not really gonna style it too much because it already has a little bit of a curl, and I don't want this video to be too long if I tried to fully style it. It is a synthetic wig, but it can like withhold a certain temperature. So the next thing that I want to do to my wig before I actually apply it is actually spray it down with some dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is going to be your best friend when you start wearing wigs because you can see how shiny it is. In person it's actually not as shiny. It just kind of looks a little bit more natural, as if I had just put like some hair oil in it, but I think because of the lighting, how it's so bright, it like enhances it on camera. But dry shampoo will completely fix that. Like straight up, just spray your whole wig with a lot or a little bit, just depending on how shiny your wig is. It is seriously going to help the wig look a lot more natural, way less shiny. So I think the wig looks pretty good now, and what I'm gonna do next is actually put on my wig cap. Most of the time when you purchase a wig, it comes with a wig cap. So I'm just gonna use an old wig cap that I have. I'm not gonna use the new one because I just don't feel like using the new one. So first thing I'm gonna do is actually take my hair down. So sometimes I will do a low pony or a low bun, and then sometimes I won't. I'll just kind of flip it up and then put on my wig cap. But right now I kind of want to do a low bun, so that's just what I'm gonna do. There's my little bun. I hope you guys can see it. My hair looks pretty wild, but that's okay. You're gonna take your wig cap. I like to stretch mine out, and I'm gonna start from the back. And I know it looks weird. I'm gonna tuck my hair up inside the wig cap. Normally I would do this without my glasses, but I want to make sure I'm in focus. And now what I'm going to do is actually take my low bun out and stick my hair in there and just kind of mold it. Okay. I like to put it down to cover my ears so I can kind of tuck my hair in, and then I'll put it back behind my ears. Okay. Alright, so this is what I look like with my wig cap on. And if you guys watched any of my Halloween tutorials, you guys have already seen me wearing a wig cap before. Now, to apply the wig. It is seriously super easy. Everything is personal preference. You can start from the front, you can start from the back, whatever you want. First thing that I actually like to do is do the little clip in the back because I find it easier to already have it clipped in. And it's just like a bra hook. So it's super easy to hook it on there. So I'm going to put my head down and I'm going to make sure to put the front of the wig on the top of my forehead. And then I'm just going to slowly start tucking in my hair and pull it down. Alright, now I'm going to adjust it. I want my part to be in the middle. Okay, so I know I look a little weird still. We're gonna fix it in just a minute, but first I'm gonna secure it in place. This part always hurts me a little bit. I'm just tucking in the clips. So I get the clip and I tuck it into not just my hair, but like underneath the wig cap. I hope that makes sense. Ooh, and it just secures it down. And the one in the front, sometimes I have a hard time because it's not straight in the front, it's like in the middle. But that's going to... Ooh, that's too low. So I'm just gonna fix that. I don't always clip the one on the top just because I like to still be able to fix my wig a little bit. Okay, so this wig, to me personally, I want to kind of comb it down a little bit because I feel like it's still a little too poofy up here. So I'm just gonna lightly comb through it. And honestly, just like that, it's super easy to apply your wig. I love the length of this wig. It's super comfortable. It feels really soft. It feels really good. I'm just gonna add a little more dry shampoo. Kind of fluff it. I think this color is just so fun. It's different. What do you guys think about the color? I'm obsessed with it. This is the one that Julio actually bought me for Valentine's Day, and I'm obsessed with the color. It's so pretty. So this is pretty much how I cut my lace front wigs and how I apply them. It's super easy, you guys. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have questions, leave them down below. And if you want to see more wig videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other types of wig videos you guys want me to do. Maybe like a wig collection or how I make my super cheap wigs look more presentable and nice and how to wear them. I can also maybe do like a Q&A answering all of your wig questions. So just let me know down below what kind of wig videos you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys!